These are the blue lakes. They're the only thing going good in my garden right at the moment. And they are the pole beans. You find where you can see it without the weeds. Alright, so they trail up this here fence, like so. And then they will run all along the fence, making like a canopy of sorts, connecting anything and everything that it can. And the beans grow on it, so they're super easy to pick. And they're stringless variety because they are Blue Lake. But I'm loving this whole pole bean thing right at the moment. So that is definitely something going for me, because the rest of my garden ain't. We burning it up with not aged enough cow poop this year. But yeah, so anyhow, pole beans are awesome. Okay, over here on the back side, where I have been working to clean up some weeds, I then remembered I'd also planted some radishes. So sweet, found them. And uncovered these here big old pole beans. The Blue Lakes, yeah, you know what I'm saying here. Anyhow, yeah, there was a lot of growth over here. This is the only part of my garden that's thriving, and that's because it's not in my garden. And I've managed to keep the goats out of it. So with that, I'm excited to say I found a whole new world back here. Picking the pole beans, hidden behind a wall of weeds, and amongst the radishes that I don't even eat. Yeah, I'm going to try to be an adult and eat some of those. So with that anyhow, just pointing out that there's balloons back here where I ain't never picked because I couldn't see them. So definitely going to be one of my new things to do up here is pole beans. The good kind. Ooh, all right.